Page 35, Ice Skaters. Now they're introducing the key signature for F major. So now they put that B flat, or that flat sign at the beginning. And here, of course, in this book, they put it at the beginning of every line, which is nice. Some publishers only put it at the beginning of the piece, and you got to remember where you're at. So if you look at where the flat is on that middle line in the treble clef, that is a B. That's, a note on that line is a B. So that's where they put the B flat. Same thing with the bass clef. That line is a B, indicating every B in the piece is automatically B flat. If they want to be natural, they have to put that natural sign, which we had ages ago, right? That you've had time to forget about now, but there it is. I think I did explain I explained before when they introduced a whole rest, because every note value has a rest equivalent, right? So a whole note gets a whole rest. In 4/4 time, a whole note gets 4 counts, so a whole rest gets 4 counts. In 3/4 time, you won't see a whole note because you're only allowed 3 counts in a measure. So whole notes are no, go away, can't come in. But look at the third measure in the right hand, it's a whole rest. And the indication is a whole rest can apply to a whole measure, regardless of how many counts it's in. Just a whole measure, right? Just do it. It's cleaner than having to put in a half rest and a quarter rest. If you do that, which goes first? You put the quarter rest first and the half rest, or the half rest and the quarter rest, or put 3/4 rests so everybody's fair. I don't know. Just a whole rest takes care of it. Then in the last measure of the first line, the left hand gets the whole rest. It simply means that's resting, not making any noise. It's quietly waiting for its turn to play again. I don't see anything special on this. It's really the whole idea of doing this is to introduce you to the key signature. So the B is, the flat is at the beginning, and you have to remember all the B's are flatted. It's up to you to do that. That's your job. That's your assignment, should you choose to take it. Okay. Again, there is an RIT at the bottom, there toward the end, so it would mean you would slow down. You can't slow down the right hand because you've already played the note. You're hanging on to it, so all you can do is slow down the left hand. So if you're, depending on how fast you're going, this 3/4 time is kind of a waltz type thing, a feel, so you play it more or less. And look at the dynamics here, okay? It's the dynamics and the phrasing, that's what really brings it in. So once you get past the mechanics of what note to play when, add in the dynamics and make it musical. That's a challenge, but get into the habit of trying to do that. Don't just whiz through the notes and say, okay, I got it, I'm going on. You're missing out on most of what music is about. They have put in dynamics for each hand. That is really unnecessary. They're doing it to help you out, I guess. They're telling you for the right hand, you play it loud. For the left hand, you play it medium soft. But when I say bring out the melody, you do it anyway. Now on the third and fourth measures of the first line and second line, third line, whatever, it's all melody, so you bring it all out, all right? Now I'm going to count 3 counts and we'll play this together. Slowly, of course, but let's try it and see what happens. So put your hands in F position, with your fingers on B flat. Okay. 1, ready, go. So something like this, I think.